Click on the link below to get price. The Purple Leaf Outdoor Bar Height Stools set of 2 presents a modern solution for those seeking comfortable seating options for outdoor spaces. Designed with an emphasis on style and practicality, this set of bar stools aims to enhance your patio, balcony, or garden area. At first glance, the stools exhibit a contemporary design that aligns well with various outdoor aesthetics. Crafted with a combination of sturdy materials, they are constructed to withstand the elements while maintaining a polished appearance. The bar height of these stools makes them suitable for pairing with tall tables, creating an inviting atmosphere for gatherings or casual dining experiences. One notable feature of the Purple Leaf stools is their ergonomic design. The slightly curved seat promotes comfort during extended seating, allowing users to relax without feeling fatigued. Additionally, the footrest provides a convenient place to rest one's feet, contributing to an overall more enjoyable seating experience. The stools are also lightweight, which makes rearranging them simple, ideal for those who like to frequently change their outdoor layout. In terms of construction, these stools feature a durable frame, typically made from a rust-resistant material, ensuring longevity even in outdoor conditions. The seat is often made from high-density polyethylene, which is not only easy to clean but also resistant to fading and UV damage. This characteristic can be particularly beneficial for those who live in sunny climates where outdoor furniture is prone to deterioration. When it comes to usage, these stools are versatile. They can be used for various outdoor activities, from enjoying morning coffee to hosting evening barbecues. Their modern design allows them to blend seamlessly with different styles, whether one prefers a minimalist approach or a more vibrant aesthetic. Furthermore, the stools are available in a selection of colors, offering options to suit personal preferences and existing decor. In summary, the Purple Leaf Outdoor Bar Height Stools set of 2 stands out for its combination of comfort, durability, and modern design. With thoughtful features aimed at enhancing the outdoor experience, these stools are worthy of consideration for those looking to elevate their outdoor seating arrangements. Whether for casual use or entertaining guests, they offer a practical and stylish addition to any outdoor space.